to my channel. Today we are making a magnet blocks castle, so let's make it. So guys, we are now I'm done opening the box. Now we are making a castle. I won't tell you, but when it's done then I will. Oh, I don't know that's how much I want. That's done. And what else? That one. I will need these two. Sorry, guys. And then now I'm making the the castle needs 3 floors. The castle. Done. Now. Believe me. Move, little guys. No. Oh. Why is this game falling down, guys? Move like that. Just one and a lot. There we go. I'm going to put it now. One minute. No. Egghead. I don't know what I'm doing. Look at this. Whatever. Underneath them. Let me move this. Let me move it. No, I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. I need these things. Now, Now. I think, no, we don't have to do that much. Move it to here. This will be good. This will be. And this one will be good. How do you like it, guys, now? How do you like it now, guys? Wait a minute. I need some more. I need some more. That's fine. I know what I'm doing. Stop. Go here. No, stop. Fine. Go to there. Where? What do I do? I have an idea. I'll just use these now. No, and go there. Now stop. Stop whatever you do. Oh my. How it looks so far? Done. And do this. After. This is the finishing touches. I'm gonna come here for a second. No, nah. Now we are putting this. Now we need it. 1 second. Come here. And you come here. And know what I have to do. I'm making a police castle, and there'll be a lot of armies in here, and I am making the tent here. They'll fight to the bad guys with their gun. No? What is? I'm back from here, guys. Wait a minute. Yeah. And this. And those. Now, put it. Look at. Calm down. Now, some more. The yellow side is done, now the green side is not. Do you know how I do this? Because these are magnets. There's a lot of magic click. I just make it see. Still, now the magnet one. What about here? I need this one. No, this one. This can move a little bit. Oh. Now this is on. Now let me make it a card. Stop. And this. If you got some and you don't got no more, and there we go. You got more. It was time so. Ow! The glass. There we go. Now let's make the load and the car. No, I don't need that. What else we do? Now I am making another car. It's not done. This car will be the window one, so that's why, because I don't got more squares. That's why I'll make the window car. That was making the window car, not that car. Now, let me put it this way. Well, just still. So guys, I'll tell you where's the entry. Entry is these. These are the entries. To go if you want to go there. Alright. It is just a minute. Stop. Okay, fine. Look, it could go. So guys, it's not ready yet. How is this? Done. Now look guys, what I did. It can go magic. That was a magic click. Well. Wait a minute. Let me touch and feel it. It looks like it is breaking. There will be a lot of mommies there. This is the cause for the armies to kill beggars. I said the police, but it's not a police. That was an accident. And this is armies to kill the Germans. This is the car, and the armies will save the people. They'll go here. No, actually, the Germans will go in there. Guys, yeah, you now see my next video when I'm playing something. I'll do a experiment, that one with a toilet paper and with 2 glasses. That's it. And we just need to color it. The toilet paper. Now, guys, I hope you like this video. Once again, guys. Bye. Like and subscribe.